This video is going to show you how to use media albums in Schoology. A media album is a way for the entire class to share their pictures, photos, and videos to the rest of the class. It's the equivalent of everybody turning in a poster and the teacher being able to hang them on the wall, except now we're going to share them digitally so that everybody in your class can see them. So I'm going to go into a folder that has a media album, which you will be able to recognize because it has the 3 pictures as the icon. So when I click on the media album, I can see here these would be all the projects that were shared from different classmates. If I were to hover over the top of them, it would show me who submitted which picture. Sometimes the teachers will grant you the ability to comment on each other's media, and sometimes that will be restricted. When you need to add your own media, you go to this box in the upper right and click Add Media. Then you need to attach a file. Pick whichever picture or video or JPEG you want to add. All right, once you've seen that it's been attached, you add media. Now, sometimes you're even given the ability to add a caption. So perhaps I want to title mine as Tree. I save those changes, go back to the album, and now here you can see at the bottom this one, which I have added, has a caption. Tree. Now since I added it, once I've clicked on it, I can make changes to it. I can edit my caption. I can rotate it if I need to because I noticed that the picture was sideways. So even after you add your media into the media album, you can make changes by clicking on it. All right, so do know when you're using a media album that whatever you post will be visible to not only the teacher, but to your classmates as well. And that's usually pictures, images, and videos.